It's a demonstration of the installation in a 2009 GL 450. Then pull the tabs down on either side of the radio. To view the connectors in the back. Then to prepare the connection, you're going to pull some pieces out of this connector and transfer them to the lockpick harness. If you're installing a backup camera, the connectors are included with the interface. It's going to be the green connector, just plugs into the open location on the radio. Like so. The camera is powered by the interface. There's connections directly on it. Now that the cables are installed in the radio, we'll go ahead and plug in the interface. Set the dip switches in the interface first, and then plug in the harness. This particular vehicle, it's switch 1 down, all the rest up. Now we'll initialize the interface by cranking up the car. At that time the interface will bring the radio into diagnostic mode. That'll display on the radio face, and all functions of the radio will be enabled. Go ahead and demonstrate that. This is a 15-second delay. We'll go ahead and wait. You'll see diagnostics, radio shut off, it'll reboot, and now all features are fully enabled.